Aslam alaikum and welcome to Nambardar TV. I am your host, Naveed Ahmed. Today, I am excited to explain Mr. Yaqub Sabir Gujjar, history, blackmailing and fraud Chaudhry. Yaqub Sabir Gujjar was once a member of the All Pakistan Nambardar Association, registered holding a position of influence within the organization. However, his fall from grace was swift. He was expelled from Apna registered after serious allegations came to light involving the misuse of association resources for personal gain. Gujjar's actions shocked the association. Members viewed him as trustworthy and dedicated to Apna registered's mission. This breach of trust had far-reaching consequences, serving as a stark reminder of the importance of ethical conduct and highlighting the severe repercussions of violating the trust placed in individuals in positions of power. The scandal surrounding Gujjar had a significant impact on Apna registered's reputation. Known for its integrity and community service, the organization faced public scrutiny and a shaken trust in the leadership. The incident led to a decline in membership and public support. APNA registered faced challenges in fundraising and maintaining its community programs. In response, the organization has taken steps to restore its image, including increased transparency and stricter financial controls. The case of Chaudhry Yaqub Sabir Gujjar highlights the importance of ethical conduct. Professional organizations are built on trust, and members must adhere to a strict code of conduct. Similar cases have occurred globally. For instance, in 2018, the CEO of a major charity was found guilty of embezzling funds. This led to a loss of public trust and funding for the organization. These examples emphasize the need for accountability and transparency. Protecting the integrity of professional associations requires vigilance. Members must report any suspicious activity, and organizations must have clear channels for reporting misconduct. Leaders must set a strong ethical example. They need to promote a culture of accountability and transparency. By working together, we can prevent future incidents and ensure that professional associations remain trustworthy and effective.